Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Fantastic. Can you share with us how your experience went with your sales manager and as well as your project manager and who helped you?
Our sales manager was amazing. We were able to get really good pricing with a really good efficiency on our output for solar. And then when we were working once we were sold, we had a project manager, Anat. She was great. She helped us all the way from start to finish. When there was something that we thought was delayed, she would explain what was happening, and we got everything done in a great time frame.
Fantastic. With that being said, can you share with us the difference you've seen so far in your utility bill?
Our utility bill has dropped tremendously. We live in a pretty large home that has 2 AC units, 2 heaters. We've seen our price go down by like at least 85-90%.
That's fantastic. And now share with us the installation process. How did that go from start to end?
We had installers here. Once they started, it was like boom, boom, boom. It was completed. The only holdup we had was waiting on the wonderful utility company to finish the plugin, and that was it. Everything else was super speedy and a great process.
Great. So last question for you. Would you recommend any of your friends or neighbors to go with Green Home Systems?
I would recommend everyone to go with Green Home Systems. They have the best product, they have the best pricing, they have the best customer service, and they're there the entire way throughout the entire process. So I know there's a lot of options. I definitely recommend them.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time today. You did a fabulous job answering these questions for us.
No problem. Thank you for having me.